Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here is the part 5 of our video series in which we are learning the names of various jobs, occupations and professions in Korean language. If you have not watched the first 4 parts yet, then you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. So now let's start with the 5th part. Here comes the first word, and that is the Korean word for chemist, and it is called 화학자. 화학자. Okay, now let's see how you are going to say gardener in Korean, and that is 정원사. 정원사. Here comes the next word, and that is the Korean word for secretary, and it is called 비서. 비서. Next comes the Korean word for florist, and it is called 꽃장수. 꽃장수. Okay, now let's see how you're going to say therapist in Korean, and that is 치료사. 치료사. Here comes the next word, and that is the Korean word for designer, and it is called designer. Designer. As you can see, it is a loan word, okay? Designer. Now comes the next word, and that is the Korean word for fisherman, and it is called 어부. 어부. Next, let's see how you're going to say athlete in Korean, and athlete is 운동선수. 운동선수. Next comes the Korean word for laborer, and that is 노동자. 노동자. And the last one is the Korean word for poet, and it is called 시인. 시인. Okay, you can see that poem in Korean is 시, so a poet is 시인. Okay, so today we learned the names of 10 jobs, occupations or professions in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.